Good afternoon, morning, or evening. I'm Mainly Digger. And in this video, we're talking about knives. We're talking about one knife in particular. The knife company the manufacturer is CRKT. So, my father got me a birthday present, and it was a knife. It is a CRKT. It is a CR. They are a Chinese knife manufacturer. This is the Minimalist knife. This is the knife that I'll be talking about. And I'll be throwing it too. And then after that, I'll see what I can cut. And there's not going to be a lot of tests. I've already done it. I'll just tell you, I've already thrown it. So awesome. It's a good knife, good little knife. Watch the video, Mainly Digger out. Oh, also, the steel for the knife is rated as AUS 8. Kind of like D2 steel. Mainly Dig out. So, my father got me a birthday present, and it was a knife. It is a CRKT. It is a CRKT knife. The company is Chinese. It's made in China. Oh, this is just the unboxing. So everything that came with it. No, no instructions. As you can see, no instructions. Pretty simple tonight. How to handle instructions. How to prove your tongue pros. I mean, got all the information. Just go. So this is just a little guy. I don't know the size or the diameter or the length of this blade or the weight. I know it is called the Minimalist blade, which is suiting because it's pretty small. It's about a little over 3 inches, I guess. So yeah, 3 inches. I mean, over 3 inches. That's pretty cool. And you can see it has this knurling on the top to make cuts and stuff like that. Good information for hunting. But here's the gem, the bell of the ball. Here's the gem, the bell of the ball. Snap. Comes out. Look at that bad boy. So I'm going to throw this bad boy. Good times. So I threw it. I didn't even sharpen it. It didn't need to be sharpened. But I did throw it a couple times. Looking for wear and tear on the blade. I would say I had a couple of really good hits and then the rest hit the floor, which is kind of normal. Other blades made in China that I've noticed you'll see a lot of damage, which I'm not seeing a lot of damage in this blade. What we have here is a bottle. I'm going to cut the bottle. I don't have anything else really to cut, so cool. Like butter. And mind you, this is after I've thrown this knife a couple of times too. So it cuts like a knife, which I like. It's good. You can, I mean, I would probably consider this a good boot knife if I were to stash it in a boot or a shoe, or, you know, on your belt. Concealed carry without really concealing it, because no, it's so little. It has such a little profile, which is awesome. I love it. I like the handle too. That handle's pretty good. Really good.